Hey everyone, this is Alice with Go Ask Alice, and this is my quick review of the Delta 4 Spray 2-in-1 shower head. Now, little backstory is that I'm living in a rental, was displaced from Hurricane Helene, and the shower head we had in the rental was super forceful. My husband said it felt like his skin was being sandblasted. So I went online, I knew he liked the rain shower feature, and did some research, and this particular Delta product was recommended. I found it on Amazon for the best price. I paid around $49 for it, and it was shipped to me right away. Was super easy to assemble. I actually did it myself. Now, there are a couple other finishes. I have the chrome finish, comes in a brushed nickel and a black matte, I believe. I chose the chrome because it was the least expensive, and I felt kind of universal. So the first thing is, and I apologize for the quality of my review videos. I'm new at this and I'm an amateur. I'm just a consumer. So you can see it has a rain shower feature, and then there's a handheld feature, and it's made of plastic. So it's super lightweight. That's what I like about it. I'm a little clumsy, and I'm always afraid that I'm not going to reattach these things and they're going to fall on me. That's just who I am. But it doesn't look tacky. The head comes out, and then there's a magnet in the docking station when you put it back into the rain shower. The 60-inch cord, so you have a good hose, so you have a good reach. And you control the rain shower or the head that you're using with this black knob on the side, easy to turn. And it's like anything. You're going to have to play with it a little bit to get familiar, but it's nothing super complicated. And then within the shower head, there's a knob that you move back and forth for the different massage features, and there's a pause feature. So it's super easy to use. I would think this product would be great for a senior parent. It'd be great for washing pets in the bathtub, cleaning. I clean everything in my bathtub. That's who I am. Anyhow, it's a great product. I'm going to go ahead and turn the water on so you get a feel for the force, good force, soft on the skin, and I'll show you a couple of the features. But I hope you enjoyed my review, and if you're looking for a fair price, decent product that's going to give you a rain shower, a soft feel, then I would consider the Delta 4 Spray. Thank you so much, and have a good day.